Hi everyone, in today's video we'll learn to create this beautiful masterpiece. It's flowers in a jungle. So let's get started.
Begin with applying a black acrylic paint on art paper, and I'm using flat brush to spread the paint evenly. If you are a beginner in the painting field and you want to start learning to paint, so I would suggest instead of buying canvases to first start painting on art paper. They are easily available in the art supply store. You can even shop from amazon.com. They have great deals on art supplies, and I have also mentioned the links in the description if you want to buy stuff from there. Dry the paint evenly. I'm using hair dryer. So in the palette I have various colors required for the painting, and first thing I'll be using is sap green color to make the leaves and the stems of the flowers. Now I'll be using light green color to make the stems and the leaves. A lot of layering is involved in painting, and that's the way it is to create depth in the painting. Use white color to create more stems in an uneven manner. For flowers, I am using yellow, magenta, crimson, red, violet, orange, pink mixed with little bit of magenta. So these are the colors I am using for painting the flowers. Thank you for subscribing to my art channel, and thank you for supporting me and sharing my videos. Thank you. If you have any different art suggestions, painting suggestions, please comment down below. Thank you.